up? Thank you for clicking on my video today. I'm just gonna be showing y'all how I accomplished this look and the specs on this up down two-piece wig that I ordered. If you guys want to go ahead and order it, I will put the link below. It was less than $30 just to accomplish this look. I just used products like some Tresemme products and Got2b Glued to accomplish my own little curls and some of my edges happening here. If you guys want to check out how I accomplished this look, make sure you keep watching and we'll get into that right now. Hey guys, here is the actual package. This is my first time opening it. Hi, butt. Here, butt. There you go. Sorry guys, China wants to be in the video today. So yeah, here it is with it taken out of the packet. This is a lot, so I'm just gonna hurry up and take this out. I feel so bad. Can we play in a minute? Once I'm done recording, I'll play with you in a minute. It's a wig. Sniff, sniff, sniffers. Yeah, I'm gonna figure out how to take this thing out, but obviously you guys can see that there are two parts to this small part right here and this bigger part over here. Kind of came down here to try and grab it. I don't know what's going on with her today, but she's very active, so I'm gonna take this off and we're gonna continue with the video, guys. Like I just mentioned to you guys before, it does come with two pieces. This is what the ponytail thing kind of looks like. It has this curly hair, obviously, which is the texture that I ordered, and then it has kind of, which is confusing for me because it has like the straight piece and not like I thought they would at least do like a super long curly piece to wrap it around. So not really a fan of that, but that is the piece that they do give you to wrap around. Next is the half wig, and the half wig looks like this. This is like the inner construction of it. Obviously you do have your 3 combs in there. There's this big comb in the back, and then there's these 2 little combs up here at the front, and then there's just all your curly hair as needed. That's about it for as far as the packaging goes. And then finally there is like an attached thing that just gives you like some style ideas that you can accomplish with it. So if you guys want to see how I am going to apply this to my head today, make sure you just keep watching, and we're gonna get into that right now. So let's do it. So previously I did have my hair in a wig yesterday, so we're just doing it post wig takedown, and we're just gonna go from there. Okay guys, this is the final look. It is huge. Huge. I hope you guys liked this video. The only thing that I have to say that when installing this, getting this little ponytail on top of my head was a little bit complicated. I do say when you're doing that braid method, make sure you like ball it up. That way it's easier to wrap. It did take me like 6 or 7 times. There is only one of those combs on it, so that didn't help at all. So make sure you have some bobby pins on hand. If you guys like this video and you guys like my hair, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. If you want to follow me on all my social media, it's at @outlabeled. And if you want to see how I styled this hair in one of my outfit of the days, make sure you guys check that out. Hopefully I'll be able to give y'all a video on how I do my outfit of the days. Yeah. So just wanted to try it out for you guys, and if you guys want this, it will be in the description box below from where I got it. I hope you guys are having a blessed and awesome day, and I hope to see you guys as watchers in my next video. Thanks. Bye.